Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download HP ProBook 4504 generations. So open any browsers to type Google search box like that. Okay, then go to this URL support.hp.com. This is officially website, so you can download the driver like that. You can see here. Okay, after you click, you can directly click, otherwise you can click to new tab. After that you come this side, so you can select operating system Windows 10. If you using in Windows 11 in this laptop, so you can download driver Windows 10 and then install in the Windows 11, so it will be run 100% sure. Okay, so no worry about that. So different drivers are there, so you can see like BIOS, diagnostic. This is not required. If you have to update the BIOS, so you can download and click to here. Okay, next, there are two type of driver. You can download one by one, just click to download. Okay, otherwise you can select that. Okay, so second method is very best. So select, which is management search engine. Okay, and then graphic card, display graphic card. Try to this one, NVIDIA. Then keyboard, mouse. So select this. Network, this is Wi-Fi driver, this is LAN driver, so we have to both. Okay, then minimize it. This is firmware on driver, not required. So you selected drivers in show here, so you can click to download selected file to one by one download in your system. After that, after downloaded this file, so how to install like that, this file already install it. Okay, this is one file I give you example. Just single click this install setup, then click to yes, then next, I accept, then next, and you can see this is install location, so you can change to click to change and go to select this folder. After that, next, and this is installing by cmd command, and then you require drive install 100%, then you can restart your system. Thank you.